I suppose one good lie deserves another, so I decided to show what it looks like with a case on it. Kind of windy right now because it's hard to walk on those because of that. And yeah, I broke my leg in two places and tore the tendon away from my ankle. And which was a challenge when it comes to making that, but I did. So on to different things. The case has been losing paint and flakes. Very shiny metal. I don't know if it's steel or aluminum. The bottom is the worst. But I'm not going to do anything with that. And the back is covered with abject filth. Not taking that off either. And lastly, for you purists, you know what I'm talking about. Modern fasteners that accept a 1/4-inch drive hex. Right? Poor old machine needs at least good fasteners. Anyway, this is done as Leverby. And yes, I installed the safety caps if anyone noticed they were missing. In a Y1 configuration from both hot to ground and neutral to ground. Thank you.